So I'm back at Udon, Dog Eat Dog in Bar Street, my most popular video. So I thought I'd come back and just see if anything's changed, if things have improved or not. So let's have a walk down Bar Street and just see. So here we go. So first up, see Full Throttle Bar and Grill. That's open. That wasn't open before. It's open now. Looks like they're selling beers and food and stuff like that. So that's good to see. So that's open. There's another bar here. That's open. That looks a nice bar. A few over there. I think their massage place is over there, so they're closed. They're closed. But convenience store. I'm just trying to remember which ones were open and which ones were closed. I know Full Throttle was closed, the one back there. Okay. So this one here, this little bar-y thing there, that's open. Oh, see this one here. This one's open. The old inn, the baby bar. The baby bar's open. Okay, baby bar's open, so that's good. Swaddy Carp. And this one's open here too. Sports bar. Sports bar and restaurant. Okay, that's open too. Wow, so things are opening up. Okay. The brick house, the old brick house, that's open. Well, things are definitely getting better here. Oh, the Italian restaurant. My Italian restaurant's open. Wow. How good's that? Well done. How you going? No. It's all right. It's okay. All good. Hello. The fun bar. The fun bar's open. Wow. And we'll walk down here and see what else. The Irish Clock. The Irish Clock's open. The Irish Clock with its own vehicles. So that's open too. Huh. There you go. And there's an Irish Clock. So the big test will be the bar in the big barn bit where there's multiple 20 bars. So that's a big test. If Bar Street's open, that has to be open too. So I'm banking it is. So the 7 Stars bar's open. Swaddy Car! You're open. Not many are down here open. Only here. Why? Why only here? For me? Ah, thank you. Thank you. Well, but are they opening later, or you don't know? Are they going to close permanently, or? Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Well, might come back later. Thank you. Alrighty, so there you go. Look at this. Just everything's closed. Everything is closed. There you go. Your flower bar there. Flower bar's open, but Swaddy Carp. Hey, vicious dog. Vicious dog. Hello. Hey, puppy. Hello. You smell me? Hey, vicious dog, aren't you? So, only 2 bars open in here. Are they opening later, or are they going to open again, these bars along here, or not? You don't know.
We open as a restaurant.
Oh, you opened a restaurant.
Yeah, this is a kind of a restaurant.
Right.
We have a license for that.
Yeah. Oh,
That's why you can open.
why not? If you can. Yeah.
So ladies here, we sit and talk. And,
Yeah. But at least you get
Yes.
customers. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Well, good luck. Hey, it's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Well, there you go. So, he's got round it by opening up as a restaurant because he's got a license to be a restaurant. Everywhere else, closed. So there must just be bars, no food. So that's the way around it, is to have a license for a restaurant. So it's sort of getting back. It's not totally, but look, it's going to take time, isn't it? It's going to take time. What I might do is I might go and have a beer at this place because she was really nice, and I'll have a bit of a talk to her. Okay, one beer, and we're on our way. So how long have you been open for?
You mean,
Yeah, here.
4 years.
And since COVID? And since COVID, how long since you reopened?
More than 2 years. More than 2 years.
Yeah. But you were closed earlier.
Yeah.
When did you reopen? Just recently?
We don't know when it open. We don't know.
No, but you're open now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when was that, last month or 2 months ago?
And I think last month.
Last month.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some day open, some day close.
Yeah.
And police come.
Police come, do they? Oh,
We don't know.
so you get raided.
Yeah.
The police come and close you down again.
Yeah.
Oh, that's bad. Yeah. But you have to open to make money. Yeah.
Money.
Yeah, exactly. You have to open.
Some
Yeah.
days we can do sell beer.
Yes.
Well, 500, 600 for 1 day.
Yeah. It's not much.
Yeah,
Not much. No. Yeah, and I was talking to the other guy over at the other bar there, and
You mean nine?
yeah.
How many?
Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah. Well, he's open. He's open over there.
Oh no.
Oh no.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, that one there. Yeah. And he said he's open because he has a restaurant license. He sells food, or supposedly sells food.
We had food.
So so that's the way around opening up bars. Yeah.
When police come,
Yeah.
you have menu. We have menu.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
It's show a menu.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly right. Show the menu and then
Yeah. Police come.
you're
You
good.
have menu. Yeah.
You give them free food, the police? give police free food?
No.
No. Oh, okay. No, that's
They
right.
don't have.
They don't have, yeah.
Why we keep it?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Oh, yeah, because I was here 3 months ago and everything was closed. Like here was closed too. So yeah, it's good. It's good that you're open again.
Cannot believe.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to make money.
Like it.
Yeah.
In the morning, it's open.
Yes.
Night time, no.
Yeah. Is there curfew still?
Yeah.
So 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock curfew.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's hard. That's hard because most along here would be busy at night time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Some bar, they open,
Yes.
but shut down at door.
Yeah. Oh, right. They hide.
Yeah.
Turn the lights off and.
Yeah. But on it, they know.
Yeah. Yes.
Open. Open feet.
Yeah.
Stupid.
It is a bit, isn't it? Like, yeah, it is a bit stupid. Because then they'll look at you again. Like if you do the wrong thing, they'll come and look for you. Your place, yeah. Well, I hope everything gets better soon. I think November it's supposed to open more. Not really? Not November? No? Yeah, talk, yeah. It's always changes. Always changes. Yeah. Oh, well.
Now we know.
Yeah. No, never mind.
They talk in the morning.
Yes.
Night time. Morning. Night time.
Yeah. You know, at lengths you have to go to try and get your bar open and keep it open. That's the main thing. Yeah, so the little tricks of the trade, having a restaurant license and watching out for the police. That was funny. But anyway, let's keep walking up, and it's getting a bit dark now. The sun's setting, so the curfew's at 9 o'clock, so we've got 3 hours left until all these places close. So let's see, might stay here and just see if they actually do close at 9 o'clock or if they stay open. They run the gauntlet. How are you? You're a good boy. Do you know what this is? A camera. Are you okay? You're the one that got attacked in the last video, weren't you? You're a good boy. Good boy. You okay? You didn't get attacked anymore? It's good to see you safe. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, so I'm going to go up here into the famous Full Throttle. Let's go in Full Throttle. Hey. So Full Throttle's open. Full Throttle's open. That's good. There you go. So this bar's getting raided by the police. There you go. I'll just do it now at the end so I don't get caught. Yeah, interesting. They're going to all the bars around the place here and checking them out. Wow. They're just gone across the road. Very strict. Okay, so that was Bar Street. Udon Thani, Bar Street. So I just had a beer, saw a few things. So I hope you enjoyed that. So we compare that to the other video and see the differences. All right, catch you next time. See ya. Bye.